Now we are going to create our Google Classroom using the mail ID which we want to create. So from this mail ID, open your mail ID and use the apps button and click on the apps button, and you will have so many apps listed down. From the listed down apps, select the Google Classroom, and that will take you to this Google Classroom page, and click on continue. This is the classroom page, and now we have a plus symbol at the top right corner. So this is the place where we have to join or create a class. So now we are going to create a class. So click on the plus and click on create class. So you will get an instruction board, and there is a declaration also. So read the instruction and check on the declaration and click on continue. So this is your class label page. So create your class label. So the first alone is required column, others are optional. So type your class name. I'm going to have it as demo MBA. So if you have different sections, you can have the section here, and if you want to create for different subjects, you can type the subjects. Now I'm going to create a single classroom for the entire second semester. So I'm typing it as second semester, and I will be having different topics under the second semester classroom. Okay, now this page is created. So this is your Google Classroom page, and below the demo MBA you have a class code. This is the password for people to join the Google Classroom. So make a copy of it and send this to all the students and the teachers who you want to join in your Google Classroom. So now the next process is to invite people to the classroom. So we have different invite for teachers and students. First, click on the invite near the teachers to invite the teachers. So after clicking on it, you have to type the mail IDs. If you have too many mail IDs, you can copy from any sources and you can paste it here. So once you paste it, you ensure that you leave a space between all the mail IDs. So the teachers are invited. Now we have to invite the students for this classroom. So go to students, invite, and in the same way you have to copy or you have to type the mail IDs. So I am going to type only one mail ID. So I am doing it by typing. If you have normally we will be having too many students mail IDs. So copy all the mail IDs from whatever source you have and just paste it here. And at the end of the first mail ID, put the cursor and have a space, so that it will take space for all the mail IDs and they all will be invited. So now the invitation process is over. So we have invited both teachers and the students. Next we have to put the materials and create assignment. So now we have to create a class drive folder. So where we can have all our materials, and whenever we want to share with the students, we can share from this class drive folder. So you can either create a separate folder using this Google Classroom separate drive using this Google Classroom, or you can share from your own drive. So this is the drive. So go to the class drive and you can select files from your computer or your gadgets and you can drop the files here. So see, we have to, after dropping it, we have to upload it. So click on upload and the file will get uploaded. So this is just the drive is created and the material is in your drive. It is not yet shared with the students. Now we are going to share the material with the students. So again, click on the classwork and under that material. So go to that. So we can, this is an instruction, leave that. So now we are going to share the material. So the title, we have to give the title. So I am going to give it as TQM 2 marks. So, and if you want to give any description for the material, you can give it. Now I am not going to give any descriptions for it. And we have to share the material using this add column. So add, already we have in our drive. So we are going to add it. So add and go to your drive, and from there you can see that classroom folder. So from the classroom folder, click on it. I am not using the recent because most of the times would be uploaded it earlier. So I'm going step by step. So my drive and take the classroom folder, and under that classroom folder you will be having n number of materials you already shared. Now I'm having only one. So click on it and add, click on add. So you will get it in the material. So now what we have to do is we have to post it to the students. So it is for demo MBA and we are going to share with all the students. Sometimes we can share with very few students and under topic we are going to create separate topics because we have only second semester classroom for all the subjects. So we have to create topics for every subjects. So separate subjects. So I'm going to put all my TQM subjects, TQM related material under this topic TQM, so that my students will feel easy to find all the materials related to one particular subject under this topic. So next we are going to create a material using other options. So first we are going to create a material using by sharing a link. So I'm going to share motivation theories. This will be done under POM. So I'm going to create a motivation theory. I'm not going to share any material from my laptop or from my mobile. I'm going to share a link. So already I have copied a link from a page and I am just copying by clicking on add and clicking on link. I will be getting a box and I'm just pasting the link in that, and now I'm going to post it under separate topic POM. So now I'm creating the topic. So I just create a topic and I will post it. So the students will get a link under this POM topic for motivation theories. When they click on it, it will take them to that particular page and they can get access to that page. So we have shared materials through two methods. One is the from our folder and from the link. Another thing is we are going to share a YouTube video. So here I am going to share a Kano model. Again for TQM I am going to share a Kano model video. So the title is Kano model, and again click on add and there will be a separate thing called YouTube. Click on that YouTube, and already you should search for the channel with the keywords so that it will be easy for you to get the channel here. So I searched already because it's my own channel. So Kano model and Jeyalakshmi Gopinath. When I type this, you can also try. You will get this YouTube video from my channel. So I get this under this list. So I'll be selecting it and click on add. So it will come under this. Now we have to post it to the students. So again the same process. For students, click on, and I'll be posting it under TQM, all students, and posted. So it gets posted. So far we have created material for the students. Now we will be moving to creating assignments. So now we have to get work from our students, right? So to create the assignments, click on assignment. The same thing, go to classwork, under create, here you have to get the assignment. So from here I am going to give an assignment for accounting for management. So I am asking them to do a financial statement analysis using a balance sheet statement, annual statement of a company. So I am giving description for the, since it is an assignment we have to give the description. So I am giving the assignment description under the instruction box. So prepare the financial ratios for the following. Prepare the financial ratios for the attached financial statements and comment on the financial position of the company. So the instruction is given. So whatever the instruction you want to give, you can give it clearly here. And again I am going to add a file because I have to give them a financial statement, right? So already I have it in my folder. So I am going to share the financial statement from my folder. So I will be dragging it. from the folder where I kept. So I'm keeping it under my desktop. So under desktop, I saved it as Nestle 2018 financial statement. So I'll get it by typing it, or I can select it directly. So I just typed it and I open it. Or you can, by doing this, or you can simply go to the folder and you can drag the file and put it in this place. For that I am doing it again. So I just go and drag it from the recent files which I used, and I just drop it using clicking on the Google Chrome button. So the Google Chrome page will open, classroom page will open, and I'll just drop it here. So the material is get attached. Now I have to upload it. So click on upload. It is getting uploaded. Done. The process is done. Okay. Now it is we have to share it, right? So ignore the dialog box, and now we should move to this the right corner side, and we have so many things, and you ensure that the students should not edit the file which you share. They can just view, because when you allow them to edit, they may make so many changes in it. So just have students can view the file enabled, and move to the right corner, and here we can give points for the assignment. So it was default by default it is 100, and we can change the marks. I am giving only 10, and we can set the due date for the assignment. So April 14, I am setting the due date as April 14, 2020, and we can even set the time. So when the assignments get submitted after this due date, it will be marked as submitted late. So it will be easy for us to evaluate the assignments, whether it is submitted on time or not. And you have to give it under some topic. So I am creating a new topic, accounting for managers. So far I haven't created, so I am creating a new topic. So after typing that, I will post it. That's all. The assignment will get shared to the students. If you have any queries, post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.